that much important that you need not hard work for your money always. You need not do hard work, but your money should grow. You should invest your money in such a way that your money will grow while you are sleeping. So guiding on this aspect, we are welcoming Dr. Sharan Kumar Shetty, sir. Let me introduce him in brief. Sir is a trainer for financial market and has conducted numerous training programs in national and international platforms. He started his career in Accenture as a subject matter expert and moved to Malaysia to continue his further academic service. He has undertaken various international assignments in Sri Lanka, Bhutan, Philippines, Vietnam, and Thailand. He holds, to the credit of him, the training of executive of top foreign banks like ICI, Axis, Kotak, etc. Sir has presented various research papers in national and international journals and also on editorial board member of several international publication houses. Some top institutions in India and abroad as governing council member and also as a member of board of studies. Sir is associated with academics also. Sir is a doctor, has a doctorate to his name, to his account. He is MBA Finance and associate professor and member of governing council of MSN Institute of Management. He is an inspirational speaker and delivered many programs on radio and television channels. We welcome you, sir, in this virtual meeting. And over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shall I start with your permission?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Thank you. Yeah, it gives me an immense pleasure to be part of your institution today. And thank you so much to Professor Mamatha, who connected me to this great institution. I'm really grateful and indebted to Professor Mamatha. So I hope I am audible and the slide is visible.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
it is visible.
Thank you so much. See, we all are aware today what is happening around us. And the more critical part to be thought, to have a thought on it is actually the finance. Finance plays an important role. Everybody knows about it. See, we talk about vitamin C, vitamin D, and all that stuff. People, the doctors say we have to take paracetamol, we have to take zinc, we have to take antibiotic, even we have to take vitamin C, all that stuff. In order to get all these, we need vitamin M. That is a strong tablet which we have to, what we call it as, strengthen. Today, this particular webinar will give you the tips as to how we have to manage our finance. See, everybody is not good in finance. They have to take care of day-to-day finance. Then only they will shine in their life. But what is lacking in us is actually saving and investment. That is why what we call it as personal financial management. 1 minute. I think there is one call urgent. Hello, Swarupa ji. Yeah, Swarupa. One minute. Yeah, is it okay? Yeah. Okay. 1 minute. I'll do that. Sorry, because I think the slide screen is not visible. Is it visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now?
It is not visible. You need to share it again.
Now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now
Yes,
it's visible.
Okay. Sorry, because that's why I got a call from them saying that it is not visible. Okay, now it is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Yeah, yes. So yeah, I was talking to you about the thing in which we need a lot of financial support to support our family. So that is the reason. Please understand, finance plays an important role in our day-to-day life. If we miss that, that will definitely problematic to throughout of our life. See, in India, if you look at, people are investing in fixed deposits, people are investing in a recurring deposit, people are investing in a what we call it as several other traditional financial products, but they are not aware of the modern financial things which we students, for example, you guys are studying in one of the colleges, KCS college in Maharashtra. I don't know how many of you are aware about DMAT, how many of you are aware about mutual fund, how many of you are aware about SIPs, how many of you are aware about debt liquidity, debt and all that. So today, I will give you some GAN as to what you have to focus and how we can proceed with our own further financial aspects. So this is Capital Market Awareness, an initiative of BSE Limited, Investors Protection Fund, Investors Awareness Program. आप सबको हिंदी में भी मैं बात करूंगा थोड़ा सा, so अंग्रेजी फिर हिंदी में both the language I will use. See, आपने अभी देखा सारे people are talking about these, that and all. The ultimate problem, as I told you, is the finance. Let us look into that. What is that all about? See, BSE is the oldest stock exchange in India. You all aware. Bombay Stock Exchange is the oldest stock exchange in India. It was started in the year 1875. My dear friends, it was started in the year 1875. So, 145 years old. After Amsterdam, India's second largest in the world. Please understand. It has got more than 6,000 companies listed. But in NSE, National Stock Exchange was started in the year 1992. You, since you are in Maharashtra, you are in the city called commercial state of India. So you people are very aware where the BSE and NSE located. And I don't know how many of you are properly thoroughly investing in such a venue. So that you have to introspect. See, NSE, as I told you, the exchange for NSE is Nifty. More than 2,000 companies listed. More than 6,000 companies listed in BSE. It is the exchange for that is Sensex. Please understand this note. And from this, I will start building wealth with the capital market. See, we have to see what is the potential in the capital market. That we need to introspect today. That will help you to grow in our financial matters every day. आप सबने देखा होगा a movie called Three Idiots. आप सबने उसका थीम भी पता होगा आप सबको. आमिर खान का मूवी है ये. Learning from the movie. Now let us see the learning from the movie One Idiot. What do you mean by that? What are the aspects covered in that? The first phrase of this particular slide says that वो बोल रहे हैं खर्चा जबरदस्ती है, हम लोग बहुत से बहुत खर्चा करते हैं डे टू डे, दिन भर हम लोग स्पेंडिंग के बारे में ही सोचते हैं, हम अर्निंग के बारे में सोचते ही नहीं, इसलिए तो हम लोग खर्चा जबरदस्ती में करते हैं. So we are spending lot of money, but we don't know where the earning come from. If you buy things which are not required, you would have to sell things which are required. My dear friends, please understand, which is very, very important component. People living on credit creating worries. See, लोग उधार में जी रहे हैं, वो लोन बोरो कर रहे हैं बैंक से, फिर इसके उसको इंटरेस्ट भी दे रहे हैं बहुत से बहुत, उसका सब उनका सब जीवन क्या बोलते हैं उधार में जी रहे हैं वो सब. इसलिए ऐसी आई एम नॉट डिनाइंग द फैक्ट ऑफ borrowing loan for the capital asset. You can borrow loan from the capital asset. For example, you want to buy a car, you want to buy an asset, I mean not a car, you want to buy a house, you want to buy some real estate assets. So you just use your borrow loan from the bank. Otherwise, for the consumption purpose, day-to-day items, you don't borrow money from the bank. Here I want to remind me, Warren Buffett का बारे में बोलना चाहता हूँ यार. आप सबको Warren Buffett पता होगा, उनको हम लोग फाइनेंस का ब्रेन बोलते हैं. तो क्या बोलते हैं वो? Don't save what is left after spending. Instead, you spend what is left after saving. मैं repeat करता हूँ. Don't save what is left after spending. Instead, you spend what is left after saving. Please understand what is the meaning of this. First, you have to focus on the budget. Then, पहले आप बचत के बारे में सोचना है. पूंजी बाजार क्या बोलते हैं, इन्वेस्टमेंट के बहुत से बहुत इन्वेस्टमेंट मिलता है, वहां के उसके बारे में सोचना पड़ता है आपको. People living on credit creating lot of worries, my dear friends. Spend time thinking about the money and your way you deal with it. Future is not the extrapolation of the past. People selling financial products based on the historical data. आप सबको पता होगा सेल्स पीपल बहुत से बहुत इंटेलिजेंट होता है. वो पास का पहले का क्या बोलते हैं लीड्स कलेक्ट करके उसके उससे वो फ्यूचर का लीड्स जनरेट करते हैं. See, asset allocation is critical. आप सबको पता होगा इक्विटी फिर डेट का मतलब क्या है. इक्विटी और डेट एक कंपनी इश्यू करते हैं. इक्विटी भी कंपनी इश्यू करते हैं, डेट भी कंपनी इश्यू करते हैं. वो इक्विटी होल्डर ओनर होता है, डेट होल्डर क्या बोलता है थर्ड पार्टी होता है. वो थर्ड पार्टी उसको क्या मिलता है, वो इंटरेस्ट भी मिलता है, वो डेट का क्या बोलते हैं एक्स्ट्रा मनी भी उसको मिलता है. इसलिए तो एसेट एलोकेशन ये बहुत क्रिटिकल होता है. इक्विटी एंड डेट एटसेट्रा, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस. देन डोंट मिक्स फाइनेंशियल प्रोडक्ट्स. अभी आपको पता होगा सेविंग्स डेली हम लोग कर सकते हैं. एक 10 रुपीज, 20 रुपीज, 10 रुपीज, 20 रुपीज, 40 रुपीज हम लोग कर सकते हैं. उस सेविंग्स को हम लोग इन्वेस्ट कैसा करना है, सेविंग्स के बाद में वो इन्वेस्ट में डालना चाहिए. हम लोग इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. सी फ्रॉम savings it has to go to investment, and that investment will help you to get the exemption from the tax. आप सबको पता होगा ATC, ATD, ATG, ATL, ATD, all that, because it will help us to get the tax exemption. So that is why please understand, don't mix financial products. It can be insurance, investments and savings, that you have to take care of it. Live your life way. See, your life is in your hand. You are the master of your life. The way you live in that life, that is the greatness of yours. Don't work for money. You see, don't work for completely what we call it as some other things. You have to focus on that, because we work for money, but throughout of our life what will happen is it will help how can we what we call it as lead our life in a proper way. Some questions comes to our mind. What are the questions comes to our mind? The first question comes to our mind. You are all studying in KCS college in Maharashtra. What question comes to our mind? Why do you study? What is the purpose of studying? To work. But why do you want to work? To earn. Why do you want to earn? किस लिए आप earn कर रहे हैं? To spend. Why do you want to spend? Ultimately to live a life. हम लोग जीवन बहुत अच्छे से बिताना चाहते हैं. क्या? What is that stops us? Are you stuck in constant circle of earning and spending? हम लोग कहाँ पे एक क्या बोलते हैं स्टक हुआ है. कहाँ पे स्टक हुआ हम लोग? फाइनेंस के बारे में हम लोग स्टक हुआ है. उसके बारे में आप सब सेविंग्स हैबिट को इनकलकेट करना है. मैं थोड़ा सा आपको उदाहरण देता हूँ. सी, एवरी डे यू आर ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम योर होम टू योर कॉलेज. व्हाट विल हैपन? Your माँ बाप, your parents are giving you some money. For example, places like Maharashtra, see, in order to travel per day, your parents have to give you at least 300 rupees per day for the commutation, for metro, for food, and for the other expenses, operational expenses. See, what, for example, your parents give you 300 rupees per day. See, I want to tell you, how can you inculcate the habit of saving? Not only you, not your money, your parents' money, माँ बाप का money, पैसा को आप कैसे save करते हैं? See, 300 rupees, 20% of 300 is how much? 60 rupees per day. Let us save 60 rupees per day. 60 rupees into 10 days, how much? It's 600. For 20 days, how much? 1200. 1200. फिर for 30 days, 1800. See, that will become 1800 per month, my dear friends. You are saving your parents' money. Out of 300 given by your parents, you're just saving 60 rupees of that. Remaining 240 you're spending. See what today's generation do? They spend the fullest, and that is also not enough for them. They borrow it from their friends. So those लोगों से borrow करते हैं, फिर उधार में जीते हैं. इसके क्या बोलते हैं? So you should save at least 60 rupees per day. See, that will become per month 1800. If your degree is for 3 years, it is 36 months. Let us take 30 months only. 1800 into 10 is equal to 18,000, into 20 is equal to 36, into 30 is equal to 54. See, you're saving your parents' money, just 20% of the money given by the parents. Any calculation you do, if at all you get 400, if at all you get 200, just take 20% of it. So why I'm saying this, you should inculcate the habit of saving today itself. So that will help you to grow in your life. What will you do if you are given a check per month to meet your operational expense? So what you guys will do, if at all you are giving a, you are what we call it as you are given some check operation for to meet your operational expense. See, there you will get what we call it as, you will experience the joy of financial freedom. You people are very happy, and all our happiness, because see the what we call it as the enjoyment what you have. So you would be creative with your expressions to build something big. But unfortunately, there is nobody who can give you the check. You have to earn your own money. There is nobody to give you the check. See why? Because this is because of what we call it as, nothing will come for free. You know that nothing will come for free. You all aware about it, right? So that is why we have to take care of ourselves. You would be creative with your expressions to build something big. Unfortunately, nobody is going to give what we call it as get there with our own action. We have to earn it. Now let us see, after finishing your degree, it can be 3 years degree, it can be 2 years degree. What will happen? You will get a job, right? आप सबको job मिलेगा, आप सबको काम मिलेगा. उसके बाद let us say आपका organization आपको 50,000 देंगे. 50,000 per month के लिए देंगे आपका salary. So let us take 50,000 your owner is giving you, employer is giving you 50,000 per month, but for the complete 1 year, it will become 6 lakh. You are all aware. See, 6 lakh, out of 6 lakh, you have to pay the tax. Let us take an employer deducts at least 10,000 per month as a tax. But later, when you submit all your ATC, ATD and all, you will get exemption. That is okay. But your employer will deduct some 10,000 per month. 10,000 into 12 is equal to 1,20,000. 1,20,000. 1,20,000 आप 6 लाख से माइनस करें तो आपको कितने मिलेगा? 4,80,000 मिलेगा. वो 4,80,000 नेट इनकम बोलते हैं हमको. हम लोग नेट इनकम बोलते हैं. टैक्स डिडक्शन के बाद क्या बचा हुआ है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? नेट इनकम बोलते हैं. 4,80,000. वो जिसमें 4,80,000 से आप 30% डिडक्ट करें तो 30% केस किसके लिए आपको सेविंग करें तो देख लीजिए 4,80,000, 10% 48,000, 20% how much? 96,000. 30% is how much? It would become 1,44,000. My dear friends, दोस्तों 4,80,000 आप 1,44,000 माइनस करें तो आपको कितना बचा हुआ है? 3,36,000 बचा हुआ है. वो 3,36,000 है उसको स्पेंड करिए. इसलिए I would like to remind you again Warren Buffett who says that don't save what is left after spending. Instead, you spend what is left after saving. So this should be your agenda. You have to follow that. Every income earned is not equal because of the differentiated tax treatment. Salaried and professional income are fully taxable. Salaried people spend money from post-tax income. You all aware. Salaried people are always, they are very, very much ready to pay tax. Business people are lavishly, they spend in the beginning and at the end, they are at advantage. You know that because at the end, they will pay. Even you may be knowing when your people are investing in dividend, the people are investing in equity, they get a dividend. If that dividend, if the capital gain is more than 1 lakh, as per the long-term capital gain, they will have to pay tax at the rate of 10%. So dividend income is also taxable in the hands of the shareholders. And the LTCG at 10% is applicable on profit made above rupees 1 lakh on sale of equity shares. Please understand that. If at all you buy a equity share of one share of rupees 100 and you bought around one share is equal to 100. You bought 200 shares. That 100 into 100 is equal to 10,000. 100 into 200 is equal to 20,000. You pay 20,000. But the capital appreciation of 100 it has gone to 150. So now you have just paid 200, but the 20,000. But there is a growth of 10,000. That means 50. You got 5,000 in each share, each 100 shares. You made a profit of how much? Around how much you made a profit? 10,000 you made a profit. That is for that what we call it as the tax is not applicable because it is not coming under LTCG. If at all you bought how many you bought 1,000 share of 100 each. See 1,000 share of 100 each. What will happen? See if at all it grows like anything, what will happen over a period of time? If at all it crosses 1 lakh, so that you will fetch the what we call it as long-term capital gain tax. So now you need to change your mindset. How can you change your mindset? आप कैसे आपका mindset change करेंगे? पहले आप सबको formula पता होगा. Earning minus spending is equal to saving. See, if at all you're earning 1,000, you spend how much you can say 950. Remaining 50 you try to save. See, that won't last long. Please understand that formula you have to change. Earning minus spending is equal to saving formula you have to change. You have to alter the equation. How can you alter the equation? कैसे आप alter करेंगे वो equation को? इसके बदले में आप earning minus saving is equal to spending करिए. पहले earn करिए, फिर save करिए, फिर spend करिए. क्या होगा? उसमें आपको उसके बारे में बहुत से बहुत आपको financial benefit मिलेगा. So this is given by Warren Buffett. आप सबको पता होगा Warren Buffett का picture यहाँ पे देखिए आप picture ये इमेज भी आप देख सकते हैं. वारेन बफेट वो उसको हम लोग फाइनेंस ब्रेन बोलते हैं. अभी भी उसका उम्र 80 होगा. वो यहाँ अभी भी वो काम कर रहे हैं फाइनेंस के बारे में बहुत से बहुत इन्वेंशन कर रहे हैं. Invest to build wealth. Saving does not build wealth. आप सबको पता होगा, जस्ट सेव करने से आपको क्या बोलता है, क्या होगा, आपको कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा. वो प्रूडेंट सेविंग के बारे में आपको आपको जानकारी मिलना चाहिए. कैसे? आपका पास अभी 1 लाख होगा तो वो 1 लाख में आइडल नहीं होगा. वो 1 लाख को कैसे आप इन्वेस्ट करेंगे? 1 लाख में 40,000 क्या करेंगे? आप म्यूचुअल फंड में डाल दीजिए. फिर 30,000 आप स्टॉक में डाल दीजिए. फिर 20,000 क्या करिए, आप एसआईपी में डाल दीजिए. फिर कितना बचा हुआ है वहां पे? 10,000 बचा. वो 10,000 क्या करें, आप उसको इंश्योरेंस में भी. इसलिए आप क्या करिए, एलोकेट, अच्छे से अलॉट करिए. तो ये अलॉटमेंट ऑफ प्रूडेंट अलॉटमेंट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. So that will help you to grow in your life. The saving does not build wealth. Deploy your saving prudently to maintain, improve your value. So which is very very important aspect you should understand. ये स्लाइड बहुत क्या बोलते हैं, नॉलेजेबल स्लाइड है. हम लोगों को एसेट के मतलब, हम लोगों को जानकारी नहीं है एसेट का मतलब क्या है. वो बोलते हैं, पीपल सेइंग assets are like a car is my asset, vehicle is my asset. That is a very wrong version, my dear friends. Why? Because if you are buying car, you are borrowing money from the bank. आप लोग बैंक में डिपेंड करते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं, आप लोग बैंक में डिपेंड करते हैं. If at all you want to buy a car, what will happen? For example, 20 lakhs worth car, you want to buy a car. See, you don't have any money to pay even your down payment also.
Keep your mics mute.
Depend on the bank money. So what will happen is, for example, the 20 लाख का कार आपको बाई करना है आज, आपका पास कुछ भी पैसा नहीं होता. क्या होता, क्या होता है, आप बैंक में अप्रोच करते हैं. फिर बैंकर बोलते हैं सम डाउन पेमेंट करना है. तो डाउन पेमेंट के लिए क्या करते हैं, आपका ओन मनी आप नहीं डालते. आप पर्सनल क्या बोलते हैं, लोन में जाते हैं. पर्सनल लोन में भी इंटरेस्ट बहुत ज्यादा होता है. कैसे होता है, 14% और 15% होता है वहां पे भी. So what will happen is, when you go for a personal loan for a down payment, that also will fetch the interest. That also will be for 5 years. Around 5 years means 60 months. Here what will happen, your 20 lakh worth car, after banker finances you, you see your balance sheet, your liability says that 25 lakhs, 20 lakh worth car asset you have in asset side, but your liability side it shows 25 lakhs. My dear friends, please understand, do you think those are our assets? They are not our assets. Instead, they are our liability. Please understand why I am saying this, because even after paying the EMI, आप सबको EMI के बारे में पता होगा, equated monthly installments. If at all you're borrowing loan from the bank, every month whatever you pay, that is what we call it as EMI. With that EMI, what will happen is, that EMI is a regular. For example, if it 10 years means 10 year into how many months? 12 months, 120 months. If it's 5 years means 12 into 5, 60 months. Even after paying the EMI, if at all there is any emergency, you want to sell that car, do you think it will fetch now even it won't fetch even 2,50,000. 2,50,000 भी नहीं मिलते हैं. 25 लाख का कार आपको बैंक का फाइनेंस के बाहर, एक्चुअली कार का रेट कितना है, 20 लाख होता है. 25 लाख का कार अभी किसे आपको not even go for 2,50,000. So please understand, my dear friends, with the saved money, build asset and not liabilities. आप सबको asset के बारे में बहुत से बहुत जानकारी होना चाहिए. Practically you should learn. You people, I am not sure about what course you are into. You may be into BCom, you may be into BBA, you may be into BBM and some other courses. You should understand, you should explain your friends, neighbor and all that. My dear friends, this is a kind of a CSR program to me, to you guys. See, nowadays corporates are giving 2% CSR to the companies. Now we people, individuals, why can't we do this kind of a CSR? Now Maharashtra, there are a lot of rural areas. Why can't you go and tell this to the people around, so they'll get a clear idea what is asset, what is liability. With the saved money, build asset and not liabilities. Asset is something which earns you while you build it and has value, hopefully appreciating over a period of time. Please understand that. That is what is called as asset. Assets are not asset just because it appears on your asset side. For example, car, while it appears on asset side of your balance sheet, it does not earn any of its value, does not earn any of its value continuously depreciates. It is indeed a liability. So assets are equities, bonds, rented real estates, etc. My dear friends, if at all you're investing in rented real estates, bonds, and what we call it as equities, those are your, just now I gave example, you're investing 100 rupees, will become 150 and you will make a profit of 10,000. Please understand, that is very, very important. Asset allocation is important. See, allocate your asset prudently over various asset classes, because asset allocate, as I told you some example, if you have 1 lakh rupees, how can you save that? 1 lakh, mutual fund, SIP, equity, RD, and then insurance. You have to allocate your fund prudently. Fund allocation is fund allocation to happen based on your cash flow position and the financial goals, because you have to see your financial goals as well. Understand the asset profile based on your liquidity. You know what is liquidity, right? Liquidity means how liquid you are. Are you very vulnerable or liquid? So is taxability, transaction costs, legality, etc. All parameters are important, my dear friends. Put the financial plans in place and follow that in your disciplined manner to become rich, which is very, very important. You may be knowing about compounding. The compounding has got great effect, my dear friend. That is why we call it as a magical figure. Compounding is magical. Compounding is the eighth wonder in the world. See, doubling period, you are studying in your curriculum, doubling period. Today you invest, and within how many years it will become double. So that is doubling period. That is the ninth wonder. But compounding is the eighth wonder in the world. Please understand, compounding is always magical. See, I remember one of my friends used to tell me, 1980, his father invested for his daughter, you know, during her marriage it will help, that is 15,000. वो कितना इन्वेस्ट किया है? 15,000 इन्वेस्ट किए हैं. कितने वो एज, कितने वर्ष में, साल में? 1980 में. You know, you believe it or not, during her marriage in 2024, when she became 24 years, you believe it or not, it has become 4,28,000. My dear friends, there is a compounding effect. That is why Warren Buffett always says, Warren Buffett कहते, whatever you invest, my dear friends, you reinvest. We Indians, what we do, we invest and we withdraw. We invest and withdraw. So that you have to come out. You have to know how you have to take care of all that. Please understand this. So precautions in the stock market. What are the precautions you have to take, my dear friends? If at all, I don't know how many of you have a Demat account. See, when I returned from Malaysia, I was in Malaysia for 5 years. I was working in foreign country, and I was given an offer in Mangalore. You are coming as a faculty, you have to open a company. I have opened a company called Sahyadri Capital. There I went franchisee under Anand Rathi. You know, Anand Rathi is from Mumbai, Maharashtra. So Anand Rathi gave me a franchisee 70-30, and I insisted all my students to open a Demat account. I'll tell you, more than 3,000 Demat account open हुआ है हमारा institution में. इसलिए मैं आपको भी insist करूंगा, तो आप भी डीमैट अकाउंट ओपन करिए. फिर उसके बारे में जानकारी भी आपको होगा, पर्सनल फाइनेंस के बारे में आप सोचते हैं. तो प्रिकॉशंस इन द स्टॉक मार्केट, आप सबको पता होगा क्या क्या प्रिकॉशन लेना है. डील विद ओनली द रजिस्टर्ड ब्रोकर्स, माय डियर फ्रेंड. Deal with only the registered brokers and the sub brokers. Receive contract note from your broker. If at all you're doing a buying and selling, receive contract note from them. Do not be misled by the market rumors, hot tips, etc. Take it फंडामेंटल्स ऑफ द कंपनी. आप अभी स्टडी कर रहे हैं ना फंडामेंटल के बारे में. Do not be attracted by the announcement of fantastic results, reports about a company. You have to be very careful about it. Do not be attracted by the stocks based on what internet website gives you. You have to make a thorough study on that. Low price penny stock do not guarantee high result. I still remember some of my engineering students used to say, sir, one stock is available for 1 rupee 40 paisa. I invested for 1 lakh share. That means I paid 1 lakh 40. But the next day when I saw the stock price from 1 rupee 40, it has gone to 2 rupee 40. 2 रुपए 40 पैसा होगा. कितने प्रॉफिट मिला उनको? उनको 1 लाख प्रॉफिट मिला. क्या मिला? वो इन्वेस्ट कितने किया? 1 लाख शेयर के इन्वेस्ट किया. एक शेयर का 1 रुपी 40 पैसा होगा. कितने इन्वेस्ट किया वो? 1,40,40,000 इन्वेस्ट किया. नेक्स्ट डे में वो सेम स्टॉक 2.40 में जाया. 1 रुपी एक्स्ट्रा इंक्रीज हुआ, एनहेंस हुआ. उसमें कितना प्रॉफिट मिले उनको? 1 लाख प्रॉफिट मिला. ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ केयरफुली जानकारी लेने के बाद आप इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए. इसलिए मैं इंट्राडे को स्टूडेंट लोगों को मैं encourage नहीं करता हूँ. So I don't encourage intraday. I always encourage delivery. When they study theory in the class, come to the practical in the, because we have a 2 terminal BSc and MSc terminal. Sudden spurt in the stock price, be cautious about it. Any advice or tip that claims huge return may lead to losing some of your stock. You have to make a thorough study on it. Issue account to pay check or DD in the name of your broker only as it appears on the contract. My dear friends, whenever you're issuing check, you have to cross it and issue it. This is very, very important. Now you have to introspect. You have to see to that whether do you have all these products with you. One is life insurance, health insurance, disability insurance, investment in long term and short term, child education, and retirement benefits. See, this is very important, my dear friends. You have to introspect whether you have all these products. See, because this is actually crux of the day, because now we are in the COVID condition, everybody should know whether do we have all. Charlie Munger says that as long as you don't do any nonsense with your money, you would end up becoming rich if you are disciplined and patient. Please understand, discipline and patience matters a lot, because Warren Buffett, when he invested at the age of 11, the stock price, whatever he has invested, has came down. But his father gave me one tip that have patience better. If you have patience, you will grow. So that patience made him to grow today in his life. And the other personality, what is his name is Stephen Covey, says that right things in your life is to do right things, live a principle centered life. See, we all हम लोग बहुत अच्छे से जी रहे हैं भारत में. हम लोगों को प्रिंसिपल सेंटर्ड लाइफ होना चाहिए. हम लोग बहुत से बहुत हेल्प करना चाहिए. इसलिए सो क्या होगा, तो हमारा लाइफ अच्छा होगा. And you may be knowing about Benjamin, who says that, see, it takes many good deeds to build good reputation and only one bad one to lose it. My dear friends, see, people build kingdom. You may be knowing about Nirav Modi, Ketan Parekh, Arshad Mehta, Dr. B.R. Shetty, Ramalinga Raju, Vijay Mallya. All these people, once upon a time, they built a kingdom. They are very famous all over India, abroad, and all that. But now, due to mismanagement of the finance, they failed in their lives. That is why you have to be very careful, my dear friends, while dealing with the finance. See, recently you might have seen there was a viral on WhatsApp. A maid got some money, 500 rupees from her owner, and the way she spent that money for her grandchildren, her daughter, and even after spending for all, she was left with the date soap. That means 150 rupees. So you should know how to manage it. So now when we talk about our holistic wealth, my dear friend, our holistic wealth consists of physical wealth. Everybody knows health is important. Nowadays, health, people are praying for the health than the finance. Then what we call it as financial wealth is also very, very important. So that we need to take care. Then we have a professional wealth, which is an important component. Social wealth is important. Intellectual is important. Spiritual is important. So these are the important aspects which people should understand, because these plays an important role, my dear friends. Because if you have a very good health, what will happen? Everything will be taken care. Otherwise, see, you will have to spend a lot of money for all these. So that is why you should understand why health, wealth, everything should be taken into high reputation and high importance. So that is why people should take care of all these aspects when they are looking into their prosperity, when they are looking into their main life. That is why when we talk about the holistic wealth, this is physical wealth is important, financial wealth is important, professional is important, social is important, intellectual is important, spiritual is also at the same time important. So I would like to recommend you two books, my dear friends. Even I read a lot of books. That is why I have this confidence. See, reading books will build a lot of confidence in you. One of the book called Mad Money Journey, written by Mehra Birani. Fantastic book. I'll tell you the theme of this book. This book was written by Mehra Birani. A author has got a narration from one of Dr. Jean's friend. Dr. John C. was a well-known doctor in US. He was very good with finance, well-to-do, lot of finance, orthopedic surgeon. One day he committed suicide. The reason is he was unable to manage finance. He was very busy with building net worth. Net worth means what? When you deduct liability from the asset, whatever is left, it is called as a net worth. But people are nowadays also, people are very busy in building net worth. You might have seen COVID situation. Before that, people are very busy in building net worth. They totally forgot about self-worth. See, author says, let us build self-worth. हम सबको peace चाहिए, ट्रैंक्विलिटी चाहिए, सेटिस्फैक्शन चाहिए, हम सबको खुशी चाहिए. So खुशी में जिएंगे first, then we will talk about net worth. That's why author says build that self worth. The other book, Rich Dad and Poor Dad, the Rich Dad and Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki says that rich people are busy in accumulating assets, poor people are busy in accumulating liability. They forget to complete the asset side part of it. So that is why let us build asset than the liability. Let us focus on the asset first. So that will help us to grow. We have to have financial freedom, financial literacy, financial education, financial strength. So that will definitely help us. And author also says that mind is a great asset that will help us to grow in our life. So this is what I want to say. These two books are very important. Don't buy hard copy. Just to put in your Google, you'll get the PDF, because you start read this book today itself. You tell me, I will share my number. You tell me what is the importance of reading this book. It will definitely help you to grow. Now, the concluding remark from my, because I give a lot of radio, TV talks and all that. You might have seen some of my talks in Hindi also I've given. See, please understand, become a learning. I always say my students, be a hot cake. Now I feel myself as a hot cake when I speak in front of students in any gathering. That's why always you keep yourself as a hot cake. In future, if the time permits, definitely I'll give you some motivational talk online. So concluding remark, I want to say, become a learning machine. Be focused whatever you do. Don't think about COVID situation. You have a lot of learning capacity. You can learn. So the certificate is also available for this attending of this program. I already shared a email ID of Swarupaji with the Mamata madam. She will send all the list and CC to me, thanks mail to BSc. They will arrange for the certificate. And internship program is also available. Since you are in Maharashtra, you people are very close to this accelerating services. They will definitely help you come up with the internship. And this is Sheetalji's number for all of you. For any contact, you can contact her. She's in Maharashtra. And this is my contact number for anything. So I have done my presentation part. Now the session is open for Q&A session. Thank you so much.
So students, if you have any questions, you can ask.
Yes, ma'am. यस मैम, मुझे क्वेश्चन था एक, पूछ सकते हो क्या सर से?
Yes, you can ask to sir directly.
हेलो
सर. Yes.
सर, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था.
हाँ.
जो आप एजुकेटेड है या जिनको शेयर मार्केट के बारे में पता है या म्यूचुअल फंड के बारे में पता है, वो इन्वेस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं, पर जो हमारे महाराष्ट्र के फार्मर्स है उनकी डेली इनकम जो है, जो हमारा डिस्ट्रिक्ट आता है उससे, तो उनकी इनकम 4 लाख 5 लाख या 6 लाख तक है, पर वो जो पैसे है ना वो सेविंग में रखना या फिक्स डिपॉजिट में रखना पसंद करते हैं. तो उनको जो है अपने को म्यूचुअल फंड या शेयर मार्केट के में जो पैसे इन्वेस्टमेंट करे, ये ऐसा जो है अपन जो वातावरण है वो कैसे बना सकते हैं उनके व्यू के हिसाब से, क्योंकि अभी उनका जो है वो उसमें हमारे फैमिली के लोग आते हैं, उनके पास 15-15 लाख रुपए उनकी सेविंग है, वो फिक्स डिपॉजिट करके रखा है. वो जो हमारा फिक्स डिपॉजिट का जो रेट है वो पहले से बहुत कम होते जा रहा है. वो उनको समझ रहा है, पर वो तभी भी उसमें से निकालने से डरते हैं. तो उनको हम कैसे इधर शिफ्ट कर सकते हैं शेयर मार्केट या म्यूचुअल फंड में? एक क्वेश्चन था सर मेरा.
वेरी गुड क्वेश्चन. सी आई विल टेल यू, आपने बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन मुझे पूछा. सी आई विल टेल यू, आई जनरली विजिट MP, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and all these places. Whenever I visit, I make ensure that मैं उन लोगों को फाइनेंस के बारे में थोड़ा सा जानकारी दे. मेरा PhD भी फाइनेंस के बारे में है, फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन के बारे में है. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूँ. See, generally, I don't know, in Mangalore, in my place only, generally people are investing in fixed, they were investing in fixed deposit. At the max, we tried to make them invest in mutual fund. I'll tell you, if you go to Bangalore and Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh, if you go to some small shops and ask him, where have you invested whatever the money you generated? He don't say, he doesn't say that I have invested in fixed deposit, I have invested in some other deposit and all. He directly say, sir, I have a SIP, I have a liquid mutual fund, I have a debt mutual fund. Then suddenly I asked him, how do you know all this? Then he said, I got my own people who suggest me, my own business people, they suggest me, because I don't believe in fixed deposits. फिक्स डिपॉजिट जस्ट 4% मिलते हैं फिक्स डिपॉजिट में. आप अभी म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट करें तो एक लिक्विड फंड होता है, वो लिक्विड फंड में 7% आपको मिनिमम, वो लिक्विड फंड आपको पता होगा म्यूचुअल फंड के बारे में, वो डायरेक्ट स्टॉक मार्केट से कंपेयर करें तो म्यूचुअल फंड बहुत सेफ होता है. रिस्क होता है बहुत, उतना रिस्क नहीं होता है क्योंकि आप डिसीजन नहीं करते, वो फंड मैनेजर डिसीजन करते हैं. ये थोड़ा सा अभी क्या सीएसआर मैं देता हूं ना, उसी तरह सीएसआर आप इंडिविजुअल करना चाहिए. आई विल टेल यू देयर इज अ पोटेंशियल. आप सबको एक पार्ट टाइम जॉब भी कर सकते हैं इसमें. आप क्या कर सकते हैं, एक ब्रोकिंग हाउस को अटैच करके आप you can join one broking house during your student life. I will tell this to the faculty members also. Faculty members also, please make a note of it. During students are studying nowadays anyway, they are at home. Why can't they enroll in some company? Like for example, broking houses. Like you have Anand Ratty, we have India Infoline. Why can't you associate with them? And why can't you touch some people? For example, you are living in some rural area, you know some farmers, as you told me, people have 15 lakhs, 10 lakhs rupees deposited in the fixed deposits. Why can't you talk to them personally? Why can't you? Initially, you yourself can't talk because you don't have the confidence. People like us, I mean, I can't come. People like your own place, people are there, Anand Ratty and all that. There are some broking houses, mutual fund houses there. Why can't you involve, attach with them? Why can't you do some part-time work with them? You yourself can go ahead. See, you are studying some course. Along with the course, why can't you go with the people? You can earn some money also. At the same time, not only earning money for you, you are helping the people around you. Because people just keep for 4%, 3%, that won't fetch the money. If 10 lakh rupees you keep per year, 1 year, no, it won't even come 3,000, 4,000 rupees, my dear friends. If at all you're investing in the mutual fund, SIP, liquid mutual fund, I'll tell you, liquid mutual fund, time is for 1 day to 94 days. If at all you have 10,000 rupees today, instead of keeping it at your purse or at your bank, you can just deposit that in your mutual fund liquid. I'll tell you, tomorrow if you want to, you can withdraw also, no problem. But at least whenever you're investing 10,000, for 1 day it will fetch the 7%. I mean, daily product method. I mean, I got you. I hope you're understanding daily product method. See, don't keep it any money in a fixed deposit. You will have to make them understand. Before that, you will have to learn from the mutual fund houses. For you, it is a part-time job also. I hope you will take it seriously. Search for some Google some broking houses nearby to your college and talk to them. I am interested to join with you. I want to work for a part-time, and my main job is to give awareness to the farmers around us, because people have a lot of money but they don't have the knowledge where to invest. They're afraid. वो लोग डर रहे हैं इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, इसलिए आप सब सपोर्ट करते हैं. मैं बोलता हूँ इनिशियल डेज में आपको स्ट्रगल होगा, बट ये स्ट्रगल आपको पोटेंशियल होगा. फ्यूचर में आप भी बढ़ेंगे, उसके साथ वो लोग भी बढ़ेंगे. सो आई वांट टू से दिस टू यू, माय डियर फ्रेंड. गॉट माय पॉइंट?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, yes. See, I have given my number over
Yes,
here.
anybody has?
If at all you have any specific doubt, you can always call me, and you are welcome for all the WhatsApp messages. Yeah.
मेरे को भी एक क्वेश्चन पूछना था सर.
Yes, Neha.
हाँ सर, ये जो इंटर्नशिप बताई, इसके कोई चार्जेस
नहीं चार्ज, नो चार्ज. श्वेता, आपको यहाँ पे शीतल जी का नंबर दिखता है ना, शीतल जी का नंबर, शीतल जी का ईमेल आईडी दिखता है ना, उसमें आप नंबर नोट कर दीजिए, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, नंबर नोट कर दीजिए. वो मुंबई में है, वो आपको हेल्प करेंगे आपको इंटर्नशिप के लिए. शीतल जी मुंबई में रहते हैं. फिर आपको इंटर्नशिप के लिंक भी यहाँ पे, उसको आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए. वो फ्री इंटर्नशिप पे फिर आपको बहुत मुझे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा ना, उसको उनका नाम मैं I forgot his name. It will definitely help him also to come up with the financial awareness program. He can do this program. He will definitely help farmers around his place. Yeah.
Okay. Are there any more questions?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So it was nice listening to you, sir.
Thank you.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay. On behalf of KC's IMR, I would like to thank Dr. Sharan Kumar Shetty, sir, for sharing the valuable information on building wealth through capital market. Sir, we will remember your quote. Actually, that is quote of Warren Buffett. That is, don't save what is left after spending, rather spend what is left after saving.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. It really touched me a lot because whenever you are giving something, so I'm really touched me a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah.
There are many more lessons from this session for us, sir.
Yeah.
With saved money, we should build assets and not liabilities.
Correct.
Then you have talked about power of compounding, holistic wealth. This was new concept for me too, sir. And I will appeal students that the book suggested by you, Mad Money Journey by Mehra Virani and Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki, they should read these books. Rich Dad Poor Dad is really very good book, sir, which I also have read. That is wonderful book, and the way they have led to financial wisdom, that is great. So thank you so much, sir, for sharing these many important thoughts and leading our students to financial literacy.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. Really
I would
blessed
like to
and
thank.
definitely we will be associated, ma'am. If at all any
Yes.
motivational talk in future, please let me know. I'm ready to do the motivational talk. And for this, please coordinate with Swarupa ji, ma'am, for the certificate. She will arrange, ma'am. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to thank our director, Dr. Shilpa Bendale, ma'am, who is always a motivation for us for arranging such sessions for well-being of our students. Dr. Vishal Sadnanshwe, who is MBA coordinator, whose support is great for this type of events. Dr. Mamta Dahad, madam, for coordinating with guests. And last but not the least, you students for patient listening.
Yeah.
Students, you will get e-certificate for the session. A link will be shared with you for feedback. Kindly fill the same and submit. Thank you once again, Shetty sir,
Thank you.
faculties and students. Thank you so much.
Thank
I
you, ma'am.
declare this session is over.
Thank you.